Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can install the Sketchfab plugin here in our Blender 4.3. I am using the 4.3.1 version, and here we can see that if we click on import, then it might take some time to import the model based on the model size and your network speed. So sometimes this happens that the model is being downloaded and we see that there is nothing happening in the import, and we think that import is failing, and there is an issue with this 1.3.1 sorry 4.3.1 blender and the 1.6.1 plugin, that import fails with an error, which I have already created a video, and I will link that video in this top right corner. So someone has commented in the video that he is not able to download and install the Sketchfab properly. So let's see how to download and install this Sketchfab plugin, so we don't have to go to the website and download these models manually. So let's go. So to download the Sketchfab plugin, we need to go to the Google and type Sketchfab Blender add-on, and you will see this GitHub link to their plugin page. So Sketchfab/Blender plugin. Right, click on that, and you will land on the GitHub repository. And here you can see the installation login, etc. The details. So to download the plugin, we need to go here on the releases section and select the most recent release from them, that is Sketchfab for Blender 1.6.1 on December 15th 2023. So let's go ahead and download this file. When we click that, we are on the release page and we need to download and install this zip file. So click on this zip file, and shortly this will be downloaded on your system. Alright, let's go to the Blender and install this plugin. Here we are in Blender. I'm already having this plugin installed, so let's go ahead and uninstall this. Go to the edit preferences, and in the add-ons section search for Sketchfab. You probably will not have this Sketchfab plugin, so let's go. I am going to uninstall this, and now we can see that there is no Sketchfab plugin here and the plugin has been uninstalled. So you will when you will see this video and you don't have already installed this plugin, you will not see the Sketchfab plugin like here. I am not having that. Edit preferences, click on this install from disk and go to the file which you just downloaded. Here is our Sketchfab plugin. Install, and now the plugin is installed. But first time you will install this, you will need to log in into the Sketchfab website plugin. So here we can see the Sketchfab is available, but we have to activate the add-on. This will simply ask for the login. If you don't have an account, you can go to the Sketchfab and create an account. So click on the activate add-on. As I was already installed, I have already installed this Sketchfab plugin, so my credentials are probably stored on my system. You might need to go to the website and provide some authentication to log in for the first time, and then after that each time you can just simply click on the activate and it will log in. Now the issue is in this plugin that we cannot install or we cannot import any of the models here because it gives me some error. So this model is 21.53 megabytes. So let's try some low model for 38.5 megabytes. So if you are uh, importing this type of model which is for 38.5 megabyte in size, and you have slow internet speed, or this will be going to take a lot of time on the slow network speed to download this, and you might think that nothing is being happening. So to try out some low resolution model, let's find out some else. Now the Sketchfab plugin is installed and we are logged in. So now we can browse the models here in the search area. If we want to search some specific model, we can search it here, and we can browse the models here. Now we have installed the Sketchfab plugin 1.6.1 in our Blender 4.3.1, but there is an issue in importing the models because there is some issue in this Blender add-on, because this Blender add-ons refers to the Blender EV engine, but some in 4.3.1 that is not available. Instead it is Blender EV next. So let's see, if I try to import anything, I am not getting the model imported, and instead I am getting this error. So what we need to do is simply go to this file, open this file in a text editor. It might be a code editor that will help you a lot, because it will indicate the line numbers as the error is in 1393 line number. So here I have opened this file in the Visual Studio Code. On your side, if you are trying to install this plugin in the Windows, then this file probably would be C and colon forward slash and then users and your username and whatever. So you need to open that file. In Mac, the address looks like this. So here is the open file here, and on line number 1393 we can see 1393. Here it is saying Blender EV, and in the error we are seeing this is the error. So the available options are Blender EV Next, Blender Workbench, and the cycles, but it is trying to access the Blender EV. So we need to change that Blender EV to Blender EV Next. So go to the file here and change this to the Blender EV Next, and then Blender EV Next. These two lines 1392 and 1393, you need to change that Blender EV Next and save the file. Go to the file and click on save, or Control S is the shortcut. And now what we need to do is deactivate and reactivate the plugin, so the change we have made takes place. So we need to go to there, uncheck this, have deactivated the plugin, and now recheck, and now the plugin is deactivated with the code modified. So now we need to activate the add-on again, and once it's done, we can import the models in our Blender 4.3.1 with this 1.6.1. So let's see, I want to import this model here. I am selecting this because this is low poly and less in size. You can select whatever you want to. I click on the import, and after a little bit of processing and downloading, you can see that now the model is available in our workspace viewport area. And let's say we want to import some other model. This is 99.57 megabytes, so it's going to take a lot of time. Let's see if we can search something which is low resolution. So this is also a less in size. Click on import, and there we go, we have that model in our work area. So this is the tutorial on how to install and how to debug the issue which comes in 1.6.1 if you are trying to install the blender in a blender version which does not allow the blender ev engine. It has replaced the blender ev engine to the blender ev next engine. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and if you like it, hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.